All right, so we just finished sudo. I think the next one, find and search, we can do together, right? So let's try to get these done quickly. Systems with a large array of files and directories can be difficult to navigate at the best of times. Luckily, there's a nifty tool in the CLI called Find that lets you refine searches for optimal results. In this lab, you'll learn how to use find, how the find command works, and the filters and arguments associated with it. All right, let's do that. So, killing me over here. All right. The find command is a useful tool that helps filter content within a file system based on certain filters. It supports a massive range of filters and parameters, allowing you to narrow down your search. Using the find command through the CLI is more powerful than a general search through the GUI. The command can search through everything, including different partitions in the operating system. It's an incredibly handy tool for system administrators, but can also be useful for general users to find that file you accidentally saved in an unknown location. Yeah, that's true. So, all right, let's do find. Get the man page going on here. So, some of the things that I think are super important are these ones right here. So, like these options let you pretty much find what you're looking for. So let's do that. Finding treasures. The find command is a useful tool that helps filter content within a file system based on certain filters. It supports a massive range of I literally just read that. All the ways you can find. There are many ways to use the find command. The most basic way to use it is to search for a file with a specific name. Yeah. You can easily search the current working directory for a file by using the period with a period within the command instead of the directory path, right? That's the current directory, or working directory, right? If you want to search all directories, not just a current working directory, you can use the /, that's the root, instead of the period. This would appear as find. All right, let's see if we get, so using find, search for a file called find me somewhere. The keyword is somewhere in the home Linux folder. All right, I guess keyword is not. Okay, so let's do this. Find name somewhere, right? Oh man, I'm really losing it. Find me, and that's going to be here. So I mean, I don't think you need the dot, right? Like you can, if you're searching it here, it's going to be the same thing. But let's do this. Cat. Can we do that? No, we cannot. Can we do that? Oh, I think you got to use an expression. So find expression cat. That's interesting. Executable. Actions execute, right? Missing arguments. No, that should be it. I mean, some argument to that. I think we're just supposed to do like what was the way to do it? Execute. Oh, for each file, right? Yeah. Nope. All right. This variant of the exec action runs the specified command on the selected files, but the command line is built by appending each selected file name at the end total number. Okay, only one instance is allowed. This needs to be escaped or quoted. Yeah, I thought this was it. I thought this was it. Missing argument for that. It's weird. Exec command. Here we go. Exec command true. Nope. What am I missing? Exec command true if zero status is returned. The following arguments defined are taken to be arguments. Command is encountered. The string is replaced by the current file name being processed. Both these constructions might need to be escaped with yes or quoted to protect them from expression by the shell. I don't know. I mean, like, that's not working. All right. I wonder why. I really wonder why. Oh, maybe it's supposed to be like file, right? File. What am I doing here? No, I think this should work. That's really confusing. Okay. We'll move on for now. Let's actually just open this up. So, cat get that out of the way. And I'll try to figure this out, but all right, using find search all directories for a file called you can find it. So all directories is the key. Find name. So it's obviously this one, but let's use what we did before, which was to dev null. And we got that out of the way. All right, cat. I just right click, by the way, to paste that. All right, using find search for, let's before we skip everything here. Searching for a partial match. Is that it? Search for owned by global. It's found in the user folder. What is the name? That's not a partial match. This is like regex kind of. Okay, that's going to be this one. So searching for a partial match, it's possible to find, use find to search for files and directories that partially match what you're looking for. Great for when you don't know its full name. Yeah, that's true. So that's definitely true. I mean, everything here is true, right? So if I do find name and I do you can't, right? Let's actually do, let's do the find name one because I feel like that's, all right, find name, right? If you do this, it'll find it. Now if you do this, it'll find it. I was thinking regex for a second. So yeah, so it's looking for that. And I think you could do the same thing basically here, right? Yep. All right. Searching for a file with particular permissions. Now this is interesting because I haven't done this one. The perm flag is used with find to search for all files, a single file or directory with particular permissions. The command for this looks like the following. Find perm. All right. I wonder why this flag isn't coming before. But all right, let's try this out. Using find, search for a file owned by the Linux owner. that has global read, write, and execute permissions, and that's found in the user folder. User perm 777, right? LSLA. Okay. I mean, it's all of these, right? Nope, these aren't it. 777. Find directory. Find. Whoa. What did I do before? I did LSLA. That doesn't make sense. Okay. That doesn't make sense because this is text, right? Like we just return a bunch of text. It's not. Okay. But I got to be able to get the user too. So if I do find, you know what? I don't like this here. So I should actually, I should be able to find that here. So let's do this. Next, user Linux. That's the file. What is the name of the file? Now, I still don't understand how it didn't work when I was trying to do execute. Like, name find me, right? If I do this, it'll work. Sorry, it'll work here. Now, if I do execute WCL / that still doesn't work. Man, I have no idea. Find me execute WCL. Like, why isn't this working? Command plus command execute command true. Okay, this is a variant of this. Execute command true if 0 status is returned. Are we supposed to do this? Nope. All following arguments to find are taken to be arguments to the command until an argument consisting of this is encountered. The string is replaced by the current file name being processed everywhere it occurs in the argument to the command, not just in arguments where it is alone. As in some versions, to find both of these constructions might need to be escaped or quoted to protect them from expansion by the shell. It's the example section for the example. Where's the example section? There we go, examples. Executing command for each file. Run, find, exec. Oh man, come on, dude. Come on, dude. Nope, that didn't do it. That did not do it. Find. Now, what did I do? Oh man, come on. Examples. There we go. Okay, find dot name. What? No way. Okay. Find dot name. Execute file. Oh, is it like? Okay, it's got to be a file type because you can't do it for a directory, right? No, not right. Okay. Okay. Execute. Find type. Sorry. Type F. Jeez. All right, let's just do file maybe. All right, so something's wrong. Notice that the braces are enclosed in single quote marks to protect them from interpretation as shell script punctuation. Semicolon is similarly protected by the use of a backslash. Oh man, I'm like dyslexic. I swear. I swear. Boom. Oh man. All right, what were we trying to do? I don't. Oh yeah. I'm trying to cat it. There we go. There we go. This is why attention to detail is super important. Spend time doing nonsense. All right. Using find, search all directories for files and find the only file on the file system that starts with the string immersive. Okay, immersive. What's the token? Name, sorry, name. Why does it do this? Going to send standard error out to dev null, which is like a nothing. Okay. Oh, shoot. Hold on. I missed it. I forgot to check what else is in there. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I really don't like that feature. It would be nice to be able to open these up again. Let me just see. I don't want to restart the lab. Like, wow. Okay. I definitely don't want to restart the lab. Shoot. Okay. All right, but I think we got the gist of it, right? So, searching and sorting. Let's do that next. Looking at the CLI, you might think searching for things would be difficult. It's actually very easy using simple command line techniques. In this lab, you will learn how to search for files and particular patterns held within them, and if you don't know the name of the file. Okay. So basically, it's looking for stuff inside of files in case you don't know the name of the file. I mean, this is like, okay. Oh, here we go. We got grep. We got grep in the house. All right. Searching, not finding. Yes. Okay. Not to be confused with find, the finder of all things. There are two commands in the Linux CLI used for searching and sorting, grep and sort. These commands are particularly useful for searching lots of data for precise information. This is handy for many security job roles, including log entry searches from SOC analysts. I don't even know what SOC stands for. grep. Unlike find, which can find anything and everything, grep only searches for plain text patterns. The search pattern, grep, uses is called regular expressions. Yeah, regex, super important. Regex, super important. Yeah, all right. The search pattern, and when it finds them and finds a match, it will print the results to the command line. Okay. Yeah. The simplest way to use grep is to search a particular word in a file. Grep word file name. It's also possible to search for a word in multiple files at the same time by adding all the separate file names at the end. If you want to search everything in a directory instead of a file, use an asterisk rather than the file name. There are parameters that can be used with grep, but to keep things simple, we're not using them for now. Okay. Let's see. Let's get into the CLI. Go to the searching folder. Okay. Use grep to search the file countries. For all countries directly containing the string your. Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm used to piping stuff into grep, but yeah. Containing the string your countries. How many countries contain the string at least once? At least once we could do WCL 12. All right. Outputting to a new file. You can use grep to search, but instead of printing the output to the command line, you can output it to a new file. To do this, use the redirection sign for standard output to print into a file. Yeah, that's pretty easy. That's pretty easy. I mean, we could just do this. Your count, and then cat your count, and we're in there. So it doesn't really matter if it comes from grep or from something else. Outputting to a new file, right? Sort. The sort command is used to sort data within a file. This command assumes that everything within the file is ASCII. Yeah, so you gotta kind of like, you gotta basically, what was it? Countries, right? So you basically got to do like file countries, and it's got to be ASCII type, right? For you to sort it. So this command assumes that everything is ASCII and can support sorting in many ways. You can sort files in ascending order, for example, A to Z, or descending, but sort also supports various sorting methods. Run the command sort help to see all the options possible with sort. Yeah, sort's pretty good like everything else here. So let's see. Which character can be used to redirect the output? Good there. In the searching folder, search the countries file for all countries for all entries containing J. So, okay, search country. Oh, why am I doing search? Grep J countries. Write the output to a file output in the searching directory. What is the token displayed? Okay, got it. Use grep to search the file countries for all countries containing the word united. And notice we don't have to do like a star or whatever, right? We can because it's regex, but united, and save the results to a file called united. What is the token you get for completing it? I don't know. Oh, shoot. Countries united. Okay. Pretty basic. I'm not going to do this before I read it. Okay. Running sort. Similarly to grep, you can also output your results to a new file. Right. So this is how we grep stuff. All right. Let's do sort now. Because sort is pretty good. So like if we do countries, right? It's A to Z, it looks like. So we could do sort. I think it's descending. Oh. Sort. What is it? Dictionary order. Reverse, right? Reverse. Okay. So sort our countries, and you get it the other way around, right? Use the sort command to sort the countries file in reverse order. Okay. Yeah. Save the results to your T Nuoc country. What is the token? That's the token. We got it. We did it. We did it, fam. All right. It's going to load. I think we're done. All right. Did I miss one? Of course. Use grep to search the file countries for all countries. How many countries contain string at least once? Grep J countries. WCL got 7 countries, and we're good to go. All right. Let's see where we're at next.